Welcome to the Engine Explorer, my YouTube channel, and today we're stepping into the ultimate symbol of road-going luxury, the 26 Rolls-Royce Gran touring motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling palace that redefines what it means to travel in style. Imagine the elegance and craftsmanship of a Rolls-Royce, stretched into a massive state-of-the-art motorhome designed for those who demand nothing but the absolute best. On the outside, the design language is unmistakably Rolls-Royce. The iconic Pantheon grille sits proudly at the front, framed by laser-cut crystal LED headlights that sparkle like diamonds at night. The body features long, sweeping lines with chrome accents, sculpted to perfection, and a two-tone paint job that oozes prestige. The Spirit of Ecstasy emblem rises gracefully from the hood, letting everyone know this is not your average RV. This is the pinnacle of motorhome luxury. Step inside and you're immediately embraced by an atmosphere of serene opulence. Every inch of the cabin is wrapped in the finest hand-stitched leather, deep-pile lamb's wool carpets, and polished wood veneers that take months to perfect. The layout is designed to feel more like a private luxury suite than a vehicle, with a spacious lounge area featuring handcrafted armchairs, a marble coffee table, and panoramic windows that bring the outside world in with breathtaking clarity. The kitchen is a gourmet chef's dream, equipped with high-end appliances including a hidden induction cooktop, a climate-controlled wine cellar, and a built-in espresso machine. Counters are cut from a single slab of Italian marble, and every drawer and cabinet is soft close, lined with suede to protect your utensils and glassware. The master bedroom is pure indulgence. A king-size bed with a memory foam and cashmere mattress sits beneath a starlight ceiling, a Rolls-Royce signature feature that twinkles softly as you drift off to sleep. There's ample storage for designer wardrobes, and a dedicated dressing area complete with full-length mirrors and leather-lined drawers. The bathroom rivals that of a five-star hotel, with a rainfall shower, heated marble floors, and gold-plated fixtures. Even the towels are monogrammed because Rolls-Royce doesn't miss a detail. Technology is seamlessly integrated. The motorhome features a fully autonomous driving mode for relaxed long-distance travel, a surround view camera system for maneuvering, and an advanced climate control system that maintains perfect comfort in any environment. The onboard infotainment is powered by a 5G network, with multiple OLED screens hidden within the decor for when you need entertainment or navigation. Air suspension glides over any surface, making every mile feel like floating on air. This isn't just a way to get from A to B, it's a lifestyle statement, a moving sanctuary for those who believe the journey should be as extraordinary as the destination. At number 4, the 2026 Bugatti Royale Grand Tourer Motorhome, a machine that takes the DNA of one of the fastest and most prestigious hypercar brands in the world and blends it with the indulgence of a luxury mansion on wheels. This is not your ordinary RV. It's a multi-million-dollar statement of elegance, engineering, and power. On the outside, the design is instantly recognizable as pure Bugatti. The front is dominated by the brand's iconic horseshoe grille, framed by ultra-slim laser LED headlights inspired by the Chiron. The body is a masterpiece of aerodynamics, stretching across multiple axles with sweeping lines, carved from lightweight carbon fiber. A two-tone finish, deep metallic and high gloss, carbon weave ensures it turns heads wherever it goes. At the push of a button, electronically controlled side extensions slide out, transforming the already massive interior into a sprawling luxury suite. Step inside and you're met with craftsmanship that only Bugatti could deliver. The lounge area is fitted with hand-stitched Italian leather seating, gold-accented wood veneers, and crystal glass tables. Panoramic windows wrap around the sides, flooding the space with natural light and offering uninterrupted views of your surroundings. Hidden within the decor are high-definition OLED displays that can emerge for entertainment or navigation. The kitchen is worthy of a world-class chef, with marble countertops, induction cooking surfaces, a climate-controlled wine cellar, and smart appliances that can be controlled via voice commands or the integrated AI assistant. Even the storage drawers glide open silently, lined with Alcantara to protect every utensil and piece of tableware. In the master suite, luxury reaches new heights. A king-size bed upholstered in the same premium leather used in Bugatti's hypercars sits beneath a fiber-optic starlight ceiling that mimics the night sky. The bedroom includes a private dressing area, leather-lined wardrobes, and an integrated entertainment system that disappears seamlessly when not in use. The bathroom continues the theme of indulgence, with heated marble floors, a rainfall shower with multi-mode settings, and platinum-finished fixtures. Even the toiletries are stored in custom compartments to keep the cabin pristine during travel. Powering this rolling palace is a hybrid jacuzzi engine, paired with advanced electric motors, producing an astonishing 1,600 horsepower. Despite its massive size, it accelerates with the authority and smoothness you'd expect from a Bugatti, while adaptive air suspension ensures a ride that feels like gliding on silk. Fully autonomous driving capabilities allow you to relax while the AI takes care of navigation and road conditions. The 2026 Bugatti Royale Grand Tourer Motorhome is more than transportation. It's a symbol of limitless luxury and engineering perfection, earning its well-deserved spot at number 4 on our list. At number 3, the 2026 BMW Luxury Vision Motorhome, a stunning blend of German engineering precision, modern design, and cutting-edge comfort. BMW has taken its reputation for performance, sedans and SUVs imported into a motorhome that feels more like a mobile penthouse than a vehicle. It's sleek, powerful, and overflowing with tech that makes every journey effortless. From the outside, the design is unmistakably BMW. The signature kidney grille has been reimagined in a larger, more commanding form, flanked by ultra-thin laser LED headlights. The body is crafted from lightweight aluminum and carbon composites, with smooth aerodynamic lines and hidden slide-out extensions that expand the living space at the touch of a button. A two-tone high-gloss paint finish, combined with subtle chrome details, gives it a premium, almost futuristic presence on the road. Step inside and BMW's commitment to luxury is instantly clear. The lounge area features handcrafted merino leather, seating with built-in massaging and cooling functions. Ambient lighting wraps around the cabin in customizable colors, while floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows give you a constant connection to the outside world. The layout is open and spacious, with every surface finished in real wood veneer, brushed aluminum, and crystal accents. The kitchen is built for both function and style, featuring seamless Korean countertops, a smart induction cooktop, a convection oven, and a dual-zone wine cooler. All appliances are integrated into a voice-controlled AI system, allowing you to prepare meals or adjust settings without lifting a finger. The master bedroom is the definition of comfort. A king-size bed with memory foam and cashmere, blend upholstery, surrounded by soundproofing for total peace and quiet. Overhead, BMW's signature ambient starlight ceiling creates a calming nighttime atmosphere. There's also a walk-in wardrobe with climate control to keep your clothing in perfect condition during long trips. The bathroom is as refined as any 5-star hotel suite, with heated marble flooring, a rainfall shower with adjustable pressure, and smart mirrors that display news, weather, or navigation updates while you get ready. Underneath all this luxury lies serious performance. The 2026 BMW Luxury Vision Motorhome is powered by a hybrid V8 with electric assist, producing over 900 horsepower. Adaptive air suspension ensures an unbelievably smooth ride, and level 4 autonomous driving lets you sit back while the vehicle handles highways and complex routes with ease. The BMW Luxury Vision Motorhome is more than a travel vehicle. It's a mobile showcase of what happens when precision engineering meets lifestyle luxury, and that's why it earns its place at number 3 on our list. At number 2, the 2026 Ferrari Gran Turismo Motorhome, a jaw-dropping fusion of Italian racing heritage and world-class luxury living. This is not a motorhome for the average traveler. It's for those who want every mile to feel like a red carpet arrival and every journey to carry the thrill of a Ferrari supercar. From the very first glance, the design screams Ferrari. The front fascia features a sculpted hood with deep aerodynamic channels, razor-thin LED headlights, and an aggressive grille inspired by the SF90 Stradale. The body is crafted entirely from lightweight carbon fiber, shaped in Ferrari's wind tunnel for maximum efficiency and speed, finished in the iconic Rosso Corsa red with matte carbon accents. It's as much a moving piece of art as it is a vehicle. Hidden side expansions glide out silently at the touch of a button, revealing a surprisingly spacious interior that blends elegance with functionality. Inside, the cabin feels like a private Italian villa on wheels. The lounge area is adorned with hand-stitched leather from Ferrari's exclusive supplier, contrasted with Alcantara panels and carbon fiber detailing. Floor-to-ceiling panoramic glass floods the space with natural light, while sculpted seating and a crystal coffee table set the tone for pure indulgence. The kitchen, though compact, is a masterpiece of modern design. Polished marble countertops, an induction cooktop, a high-speed smart oven, and a temperature-controlled wine cellar make it perfect for fine dining on the road. Every appliance is seamlessly integrated into the cabinetry, keeping the sleek Ferrari aesthetic intact. The master bedroom is a sanctuary. A king-size bed wrapped in premium leather rests beneath a fiber optic starlight ceiling, with climate control hidden in the walls for silent operation. A retractable OLED display paired with a 3D surround system ensures entertainment at the highest quality, whether you're watching films or streaming the latest F1 race. The bathroom feels like stepping into a spa suite. Heated marble floors, a rainfall shower with chromotherapy lighting, and gold-plated fixtures add a sense of royalty to your daily routine. Even the storage is custom-built, with Ferrari-branded compartments for toiletries and personal items. Beneath this luxury lies the heart of a beast, a hybrid V12 engine, paired with high-performance electric motors, producing over 200 horsepower, adaptive suspension, rear-wheel steering, and Ferrari's signature driving dynamics give it an agility that no other motorhome can match. For long trips, a semi-autonomous mode takes over, offering hands-free driving while you relax in comfort. The 2026 Ferrari Gran Turismo motorhome is more than transportation. It's a statement, a symbol that the journey can be just as exhilarating as the destination. That's why it earns its well-deserved place at number 2 on our list. At number 1, the 2026 Toyota Imperial Luxury Motorhome, a masterpiece that combines Japanese craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and world-class comfort into one stunning package. Toyota has taken its decades of reliability and innovation and infused it with a level of opulence that rivals the most exclusive motorhomes in the world. This isn't just transportation. It's a moving luxury residence designed for those who want the perfect balance of elegance, performance, and practicality. From the outside, the Toyota Imperial exudes presence. The bold front grille is inspired by the brand's flagship Century limousine, framed by crystal-cut LED headlights and a sculpted chrome bumper. The body is crafted from lightweight aluminum and carbon composite panels, ensuring strength without sacrificing efficiency. A two-tone paint scheme with deep pearl and metallic accents gives it a dignified, commanding look. Hidden slide-out sections on both sides expand at the touch of a button, transforming the vehicle into a spacious living environment. Step inside, and the interior feels like a private luxury suite. The lounge area features handcrafted Napa leather recliners with heating, cooling, and massage functions. A Japanese-inspired design theme runs throughout, with natural wood veneers, washi paper textured walls, and ambient lighting that shifts with the time of day. Floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows bring in the scenery, while electrochromic glass allows instant privacy when needed. The kitchen is both beautiful and functional, equipped with a marble island, induction cooktop, smart steam oven, and a climate-controlled pantry. All appliances are integrated into a voice-activated AI system, allowing hands-free operation. The cabinetry is lined with soft Alcantara, ensuring quiet travel without rattles or vibrations. The master bedroom offers a king-size bed with a memory foam and silk blend mattress, surrounded by handcrafted cabinetry and discreet storage. Above, a starlight ceiling sets the mood, while a retractable 8K OLED display paired with a surround sound system ensures an immersive entertainment experience. The bathroom rivals those in 5-star hotels, with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and gold-accented fixtures. The mirror doubles as a smart display, providing news, weather, and navigation updates while you get ready. Powering this luxury palace is Toyota's advanced hydrogen fuel cell hybrid system, delivering silent, emission-free travel with a range exceeding 800 miles. Adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth gliding ride, while Level 5 autonomous driving allows the motorhome to handle long highway stretches or tricky city streets effortlessly. The 2026 Toyota Imperial Luxury Motorhome is the ultimate expression of comfort, sustainability, and technology. It's a vehicle that lets you explore the world without ever leaving behind the feeling of home, and that's why it rightfully claims the #1 spot on our list.